TTD stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, regarding 12th of August and onward, I'm still going to be just sticking to my edge that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. And it's only those last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to figure this stuff out, which you obviously do not have to do. For me, even though it crashed, people think this is a very good discounted price. Well, yeah, but why the heck buy when there's just like a crazy gap down? I mean, listen, do you, don't listen to me blindly, but the only thing that I need is just more candles to appear here. You know, this is not enough candles, not enough data to work with the trend. That's why I have this waiting caps. Only if there is a confirmation I'm looking to take things higher. And in the meantime, you know what I'm not going to do? Is just come here and just trying to force trades with TTD. I have 8 receipts in the Discord, but I'm just going to, you know, keep following other ticker symbols and follow other stuff, not just this. Stay tuned, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated.